Yes, God knows things have gone downhill with me, he said. He means the rat trap sailor. The rat trap sailor said, yes, God knows things have gone downhill means bad with me. He accepted that things had gone bad with him. You should not have resigned from the regiment, said the Iron Master. At this, the Iron Master said that you means the rat trap sailor should not have resigned from the regiment. That was the mistake. The Iron Master said that was the mistake. He said that it was mistake that the rat trap sailor resigned from the regiment. If only I had still been in the service at the time, it never would have happened. The Iron Master said, if only, I means he had still been in the service of army at the time, it never would have happened. It means to say that if the Iron Master had been in the service of army at the time, the rat trap sailor would never have resigned from the regiment. He would have stopped the rat trap sailor from resigning from the regiment. Well, now of course you will come home with me. The Iron Master invited the rat trap sailor to go home with him, to go along up to the manor house and be received by the honor like an old regimental comrade. Now see the line. To go along up to the manor house. Now see what is manor house. Manor house is a large country house with lands. See, the Iron Master invited the rat trap sailor to go to his manor house and be received by the honor like an old regimental comrade. Comrade means companion. Actually, the Iron Master thought that the rat trap sailor was an old companion of him from army. That's why he invited him to his house. That, however, did not please the tramp. Tramp means wanderer, vagabond. Who was the tramp? The rat trap sailor was the tramp. See, that means the invitation of the Iron Master, however, did not please the tramp. The rat trap sailor did not like to be invited by the Iron Master to his house? No, I couldn't think of it, he said, looking quite alarmed. No, I couldn't think. He means the rat trap seller said that he could not think of it. Of it means of going to the house of the iron master. He said, the rat trap sailor said, looking quite means totally, completely. Alarm means doubtful. Looking quite alarmed. The rat trap sailor said that he could not think of going to the house of the iron master. He thought of the 30 kroner. He thought, the rat trap sailor thought of his 30 kroner that he had stolen from the cottage of the old man. To go up to the manor house would be like throwing himself voluntarily into the lion's den. See, he thought that going to the manor house of the ironmaster would be like throwing himself voluntarily into the lion's den. He thought that he might be arrested there in the house of the ironmaster. He thought that he might lose his 30 kroner. That's why he did not like to go to the house of the ironmaster. He only wanted a chance to sleep here in the forge. The rat trap sailor only wanted a chance to sleep here in the forge and then sneak away. Sneak away means slip away. As inconspicuously means in a way that does not attract attention. And after sleeping, he thought he would slip away from the forge as inconspicuously as possible. He thought that he would slip away without attracting the attention of others. The ironmaster assumed that he felt embarrassed, troubled, because of his miserable clothing. The ironmaster thought that the rat trap sailor felt troubled, embarrassed, because of his dirty, poor clothing. That's why he was not willing to go to his house. Please don't think that I have such a fine house that you can't show yourself there, he said. He said means the ironmaster said. The ironmaster requested the rat trap sailor not to think that he had such a fine house that he could not go there. Elizabeth is dead, as you may already have heard. The ironmaster told the rat trap sailor that his wife Elizabeth was dead. As you may already have heard, the ironmaster thought that the rat trap sailor might already have heard about this news. My boys are abroad and there is no one at home except my oldest daughter and myself. The ironmaster told the rat trap sailor that his sons, that his sons were abroad. They were not in home, and there was no one at home except his oldest daughter and himself. Actually, there were only two persons in home. We were just saying that it was too bad we didn't have any company for Christmas. See, the Iron Master was requesting the rat trap sailor to his guest to give them company on Christmas because it was very bad for the Iron Master and his daughter that they didn't have any guest to give them company on Christmas. Now come along with me and help us make the Christmas food disappear a little faster. The Iron Master again requested the rat trap sailor to go to his manor house and be his guest to give them company on Christmas so that the Christmas food might be eaten a little faster.